I made 5% trading Nzdchf as a forex trader. Let's show you the setup. To start with, we had to find a resistance zone. Price had pulled back for a double pullback here once, then twice into the daily 50 EMA. After that, we then needed structure. So I dropped from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame to find my structure, which was a head and shoulders pattern rejecting that daily 50 EMA and the top of the channel. Once we then had our structure in play, we then had to go for an entry. So one of my strategies is an entry on the top of the right shoulder. So we waited for a double engulfing candle, which we had here. So we had two 1-hour candles that engulfed the previous high. So these two were a lovely entry. We then waited for a 15-minute time frame pullback, which we did get here. You can see this if I drop to the 15-minute time frame. From the 15-minute time frame, here was our pullback into here, and then we had our main engulfing candle here, which is what the entry was. So once we had our entry, we then went ahead and placed our stop loss just above the high and also above the daily 50 EMA. So we was above both of the barriers with our stop loss. Then we worked out where our TP was going to be placed, and we went in for a 5% trade. That was just above the trend line here. We don't want to be too tight. Could have had a 1 to 6, but didn't want to be greedy. We then set the trade and forgot about it. Price then pushed all the way down, straight hitting our TP. We did try and grab a scaling that was taken out at entry due to the broker spread at 10 PM. So the lesson learned is make sure you've got a big enough stop loss for 10 PM spreads if you're placing trades late in the evening.